Hello, my fellow coders. So today we are solving another problem. So we have find capacity to ship packages within ND days. So we have weights which will be packages, weights of packages. So we are given an array of weights and we have to want to ship these packages in 3 days. Okay, and we want to ship them accordingly, like in the order. Want to ship in the order. So it can't be like 4 and 4 we are shipping, 1 and 2 are we shipping. So we want to ship them on order of the array. Okay. So like suppose we ship them into a 3, 2, 2, 4, 1, 4. So we are trying to find the capacity. So here the capacity of maximum capacity is 6. So we are trying to find the minimum capacity to ship these packages within 3 days. So the output is 6. So here we have 5, 6, 4, 5. So the maximum is 6, but it is will be minimum for like 3 days given. Okay. So we want 6 value, which is the capacity will be like maximum of whatever these can be traveled in ship capacity. So you got my point, what I'm saying, trying to say. Okay, let's jump into the problem. First, we will need a function. Let's call it ship. It will be having weights as the first parameter and days as second parameter. Okay, so how to tackle this problem? So what we can do, we will like we, we are trying to find capacity. Based on this value, you can see we are trying to find the average, maximum average in which we can uh, pass the data in the given days. So like this is like average value we're trying to find. So what we can do, we can create another function within this function get days, which will which we're passing capacity, and we are expecting based on the capacity we are expecting in how many days the weights can be transferred, and we will calling this and from another for loop. Okay, so this like sub solution, we will call this function in another loop. So okay, so to tackle this problem, let's get a total. Okay, total 0, let days starting from day 1, looping the array like 0 I less than weights dot length, that's common. Now we are calculating total, which will be plus equal to current weight, which I, and if this total is greater than the capacity, then we will increase the days and move the total back to the original value. Okay, so why we are doing this? Okay, so we are calculating total. So 3 plus 2, let's say we are given capacity 6. So let's suppose we're given a capacity of 6 and we're calculating for this condition will not run up to like these two, but after this its total is 7, which will be greater than capacity which we are passing, like 6 we are passing here. So what it will do, it will increase from day one to day two. It moves to day two, and it will total will be the current value. Current value is 2, this one. So it again start from for day 2. Okay, and we will return days. Okay, now we are need an average, which will be maximum value starting from the maximum value in the array, and the end value will be the sum. A comma b, a plus b. It's calculating the sum of the array, and we will check if it will start as an end. Okay, and we are calculating average value. So start plus end. If you don't worry, if you want to copy the solution, I will provide the solution in the description. So you can check on your pace. Or if you see my pace is slow, you can increase the speed of the video. So are calculating pace. So okay. So we have calculated start to the end. Start is the maximum value in an array, and end it is the sum of the array. Then we are calculating the average of that and passing to days. So here we're calculating the average and passing to days, and it will give how many days it can be done. And that if that day is greater than the days which are given as a parameter, that means the capacity is low, because like we are getting more days than the actual days we needed. That means the capacity is low, so we need to increase the capacity. We will do this by increasing the start value to mate plus 1. Else we will change the value of n to mid, and we will return it. That's the solution. We are checking if it is correct or not, or if there's any problem. We'll copy this array, given 3 days. We will run it, and we are getting an error in reduce. Uh, it's not math.reduce, it should be weights.reduce, because weights in array. And we run it again, we are getting a problem. Get math.reduce. I think it's not saved. Mid is not defined. Mid is defined. Where the mid is not defined. Okay, let's check. Mid is here in this bracket. get it is hmm. Hold up. Reference error. Hold up. Okay. Start this and do this here. Ah, we are not passing it because mid is defined inside the while loop and we are returning outside. So now it will run. Now it is giving six value. That is correct. We need six value. That is on day two. So this is the solution. So let's walk through again as finally we have the solution. So we are given days of weights. We are given weights in an array. We are given 3 days and days. Okay, so, and how we have done that? We have calculated the number of days in which we are given a capacity. So based on the capacity, how many days we can accomplish this task. This is our approach, and through this, based on the capacity, we are calculating increasing days and getting the value. And here we are calculating average of maximum value and the sum, passing it is a capacity to get days. And if this days is more than the actual days we are given, that means the capacity is low. Then we need to increase the capacity. Increasing capacity by increasing start value plus mid plus 1. Else we will change the value of end to mid and we are returning end. That's the solution. Okay guys, if you find this problem uh, difficult, comment down below and I or someone else will definitely uh, try to help you out. But most probably not because like if you want to have you will you should write on the forms or there's so many forms. You have lead code, geeks for geek. Like I'm trying my best to teach you guys, but like I'm not like proactive in commenting comment section. So guys help each other out if you are because we are in the same field. So that's all. Keep watching. I will try to upload. I will try to upload like bi-weekly, 2 times a week, or regularly try my best. So that's all. Keep grinding, and you will get definitely a better job. And just keep grinding. One day you will accomplish your dream. That's all. Thank you.